Welcome to the Tax to E-File 1040 instructions. Follow along as we show you how to file your taxes fast and easy. On the 1040 Form Services page, a list of profiles you have created will be displayed below. To add a new individual, you can select Add New Profile. Select the filing status from the drop-down list, then enter the taxpayer's information like name, SSN, and date of birth. If your filing status includes married, you can provide your spouse's personal details below. If you have a dependent you would like to add, you can select Add Dependent and provide their personal information as well. Now complete the address information and select Save and Continue when finished. If you need to stop for any reason, your saved information will be saved to the profile list. On the Income Details section, you can provide the wages from W-2, interest from 1099 Inc., or dividend from 1099 DIV. Select Start to continue. Select Add New W-2 to provide the taxpayer's wages and salaries. W-2 information can be uploaded from a PDF or enter manually. There is no wrong method. Provide the employer information and all amounts as they are presented on your W-2. If you are unsure about where to find the information, you can check the labels and box numbers on the W-2. When you have finished with your W-2, you can select Save and Continue. If you have received multiple W-2, you can provide them all one by one for each taxpayer listed. Once finished, select Save and Continue to move on. The total from all W-2 saved will display on the income details. You can select Edit if you want to make changes or add more information. Deductions and HSA options are covered in a separate instruction. Estimated tax payments will be covered in a dedicated video as well and is not a mandatory section. For the general purpose of this instruction, we will stick to the federal filing. If you are interested in combining your state and federal returns, we recommend watching the state filing instructions next. Before moving forward, check the total payments, refund, and payable to see what you owe. Then provide your filer authentication for all taxpayers listed. If the information on a section does not pertain to you, select Save and continue to skip past the section. If you owe taxes to IRS, you may select any of the payment options provided on the IRS payment section to make payments or receive refunds. Before saving and submitting your return, be sure to review all sections on the review page for any issues or missed items. When you reach the order confirmation page, you will be presented with a reference number and download for your return. This is the end of the e-file process.